let's see internal reconstruction. The following is the some balance sheet of ABC Limited as on 31st March 2012. The liability assets, share capital 2 lakh equity shares of 10 each, fully paid. So 2 lakh into 10, 20 lakhs. 6,000, 8% preference shares of 100 each, 6 lakhs. 9% debenture, 12 lakhs. Bank overdraft 1 lakh 50,000. Trade payable 5 lakh 90,000. So total 45 lakh 42,000. The asset side, plant and machinery 9 lakhs. Furniture and fixes 2.5 lakhs. Patents and copyright 70,000. Investment at cost is 68,000. But the market value is 55,000. But cost price 68. Okay. Now the present market price 55. What price we purchased? Cost price 68,000. Inventory 14 lakhs. Receivable the company having 14 lakh 39,000. Cash and bank balance the company having 10,000. Profit and loss account loss 4 lakh 5,000. Total 45 lakh 42,000. The following is the scheme of reconstruction finalized. So preference shareholders ready to sacrifice 30% to helping the company in exchange of allotment of 11% debentures. So preference shareholders already 6 lakhs available. Now they want to sacrifice 30% each. 30% each. So 70% balance portion they want debentures. We have to issue, right? Number 2, debentures having charge on plant and machinery would accept plant and machine full settlement of the dues. Okay. So debenture holder is going to be 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. So anyway, there is a charge on plant and machinery. There is a charge on plant and machinery. There is a charge on plant and machinery. So now they want to take the plant and machinery in full settlement of the dues. 12 lakhs loan. They want to take plant and machinery. Balance 3 lakhs is nothing but capital reduction. Balance 3 lakhs is going to be capital reduction. Okay. So they want to take plant, balance 3 lakhs, they want to sacrifice for the company. So capital reduction for us. So inventory equal to 5 lakhs in book value taken over trade payables in full settlement of the dues. Same logic. So trade payable 5 lakh 90,000. Inventory 14 lakhs available. But 5 lakh 90,000 trade payables. They want to take inventory 5 lakhs only. 5 lakhs only. 5 lakh 90,000 trade payable. They want to take inventory 5 lakhs only. Balance 92,000 they want to sacrifice for the company. So it's a capital reduction credit. So 5 lakh 90,000 trade payables. They want to take 5 lakhs inventory only. Balance 92,000. Balance 90,000 is the LP the company, right? Out of 40 lakhs. If 5 lakhs subtracted, out of 40 lakhs, if 5 lakhs subtracted, balance 9 lakhs. Balance 9 lakhs. Okay. Investment to be reduced to market price. Okay. But there is a loss. 60,000 cost price. Market price 55,000. Year after we have to say only 55,000 market price. What happened to the difference? 13,000, 68 minus 55. So 13,000 is going to be loss for us. So capital reduction to be debited. The company would issue 11% debenture of 3 lakhs. Okay. Company wants to issue 11% debenture, new issue. So bank will deduct to 11% debenture account, 3 lakhs. After receiving the money, we can use partly for working capital requirement and after settling bank OD. So what is the bank overdraft available? 1.5 lakhs. So 3 lakhs debenture we raised. 3 lakh is going to be settled for bank OD, 1.5 lakhs. 1.5 lakhs. So balance we have to we can use the money for capital requirement, working capital requirements. So proper journal entries in the books of company. So proper capital reduction account and balance sheet after internal reconstruction. That's it. Number 1, journal entries in the books of ABC Limited. In the books of ABC Limited. Okay. So preference shareholders 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. 30%. They want to give up 30%. Okay. They are sacrificing. Okay. So preference shareholders 6 lakhs. 30% sacrifice. So entry. So preference shareholders, preference share capital no longer existing to the extent of 6 lakhs. Is 100%, no longer existing. So there is a capital reduction component. 30% capital reduction. That is 6 lakh into 30%. They are helping the company. So 6 lakhs into 30%. They helping the company. They helping the company 30%. That is equivalent to 1,80,000. They helping the company. So balance they want debenture from our side. They want debenture from our side to 11% debenture from our side. They want balance. They want 11% debenture. It is going to be going to be 70%, correct? 70%. So 6 lakh into 70%, the balance they want debenture is going to be 4,20,000, 4,20,000 being 30% capital reduction, being 30% capital reduction. That's it. And that's the first entry. Okay. Debenture holders having charge on plant and machine would accept the plant and machine full settlement of our claims. Okay. How many debenture holders available? 12 lakhs. Plant and machinery 9 lakhs. 12 lakhs 9% debenture. Plant and machinery 9 lakhs. So balance 3 lakhs. So they're sacrificing, they'll pay the company, Okay, right. Similarly, so 9%, number 2, 9% debentures no longer existing. They want to take over the machinery. So 9% debenture no longer existing. So 9% debenture account debtor, that is 12 lakhs no longer existing. For this, they want to take plant and machinery. We can adjust plant and machinery to the amount of 9 lakhs. We can adjust it. 9 lakhs we adjust it. Balance is helping the company. It is going to be capital reduction. In full settlement of the claim is balance they did not require it. So it's going to be 3 lakhs. Being 30% capital reduction. Capital reduction. Okay. Number 3. Inventory 5 lakhs book value will be taken up by trade payables till full settlement of claims. Okay, right. So trade payables we have to pay 5,92,000. Out of 14 lakhs inventory, 5 lakhs they will take. Out of 40 lakh inventory, they will take 5 lakhs. Out of 40 lakh inventory, they will take 5 lakhs. So they will take 5 lakhs. Balance 9 lakhs only inventory available. So that too also this trade payable they will give to take over 5 lakhs. Balance 90,000 capital reduction. So 9% debenture. Sorry, trade payable 5,90,000 no longer existing. So trade payables account 5,92,000. 5,92,000. So to inventory account 5 lakhs. So balance capital reduction. Balance capital reduction account 90,000. It's a gain for us. So capital reduction account. Reduction account being settlement of creditors, partly settlement of trade payables, being settlement of trade payables. Okay, that's it. Investment value to be reduced to market price. So above 60,000 inventory investment become 55,000 left. So there is a reduction of 13,000. We have to bear. Therefore, so capital reduction loss is going to be capital reduction amount is a loss. So capital reduction account debtor is going to be 13,000. Okay, capital reduction account debtor 13,000 to investment. So 13,000, 60,000. We return up to 55,000. There is a loss of 13,000. Next one, market price. Okay, right. And 11% debenture we are raising. Okay, right. One more thing, profit loss account also we can write off. Amount 4,05,000. So profit loss account to profit loss account 4,05,000. To profit loss account 4,05,000. Okay, 4,05,000. And if there is any balance available, it can be used for capital reserve. Just wait for this. We'll do finally. Don't close entry. We'll go to fifth entry. We're going to raise 11% debenture 3 lakhs for working capital. After settling, it's going to be bank OD. Okay, 1.5 lakh. Anyway, we're raising 11% debenture. So bank account debtor to 11% debenture to 11% debenture, going to be 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Being new debenture raised. Debenture issued. Okay. Issued. So bank OD 1.5 lakhs, we settle now. Bank overdraft account data to bank. To bank 1.5 lakhs. 1.5 lakhs debit, 1.5 lakhs credit. Being settlement of bank overdraft. That's it. Now bank OD settled. Right. Finally, we can close. Okay. We'll wait for a cap reduction account. We can open it. We can open cap reduction account, so that if there is any balance available, it can be used to settle cap reserve. We can transfer the money to cap reserve. Okay. Right. So first entry. Preference shareholders, they LP in the company to the extent of 30%. Am I correct? First entry. See the first entry. Preference shareholders, they LP in the company to the extent of 30%. So it's going to be 1,80,000. So by preference capital 1,80,000. They LP in the company. And debenture holders also, they LP in the company to the extent of 3 lakhs. They took plant and machinery, no. 12 lakhs is a due. 9 lakhs plant and machinery took. 3 lakhs is a gain. Correct? No. So by 9% debentures, so 3 lakhs. So trade payables also LP in the company to the extent of 92,000. Trade payables also LP in the company to the extent of 92,000. Investment written down to market price. So 13,000. So profit and loss account. $4,05,000 we have to write off. Money available, we can write off. 4,05,000. That's it. So anyway, the balance we can transfer to capital reserve. So balance we can transfer to capital reserve. Okay, right. Balance. It's going to be 5,72,000. 5,72,000 here. It is going to be 1,54,000. That's it. Okay. So balance sheet figure will be transferred to capital reserve. 1,54,000. Balance sheet figure. 1,83, 3,92, 5,72. Balance 1,54. So 1,54 is a balance. Capital reserve 1,54. 1,54 capital reserve. Capital reserve 1,54. 1,54. So capital reduction account debtor. Can you make it total 13,000? 4,05,000, 1,54. 5,72,000. So 5,72,000. That's it. So being adjusted. Okay. Being assets adjusted. Balance transferred to capital reserve. Okay. Balance transferred to where we transfer the money? Capital reserve. Okay. So please check it out. The balance we transfer to capital reserve. That's it. Okay. Okay. 1,54,000 we transferred to capital reserve. Now we want to close balance sheet unreduced. Okay. Balance sheet as on 31/3/12. As on 31/3/12. ABS Limited. Bracket unreduced. Right. So particular note amount rupees. Part 1 equities and liabilities. Equities and liabilities. Part 1. Okay. Number 1, shareholders funds. Shareholder funds. Number 1, share capital. Note 1. Number 2, reserve surplus. Note 2. Okay, now we have raised a new share capital. A lot of share capital you raised. We note 1, you will take all the notes. Note 1, share capital. Note 1, all the share capital. Okay, right. So please check it out, all the share capital you have to raise. Okay, right. So I think no change in the equity share capital, no adjustment. I think no adjustment for equity share capital. Kindly check it out, no adjustment. Whatever be the equity share capital remains as it is, as it is. The equity share capital as it is. So equity share capital 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So 2 lakh shares into 10 each. So 2 lakh shares into 10 each. That's it, 20 lakh. So preference shareholders, all the preference shareholders cancelled. No preference shareholders. Sorry, no preference shareholders. No preference shareholders. No preference share capital. Therefore nil. All the preference shareholders are settled, transferred. So only 20 lakhs equity share capital. That's it. So equity share capital 20 lakhs. Note 2, reserve surplus. Note 2, reserve surplus. So capital reserve 1,54,000. 1,54,000. Capital reserve 1,54,000. So number 2, non-current liability. Old 9% debenture no longer existing. Instead of that, 11% debenture coming and 11% debenture coming. There are two 11% debenture coming. Two 11% debenture. Okay, right. So anyway, long-term borrowings. Note 3. Note 3, 11% debentures. 11% debenture. 11% debenture. So already 11% debenture 4,20,000. 11% debenture 4,20,000. 11% debenture 4,20,000. 4,20,000. And one more debenture 3 lakhs raised. One more debenture 3 lakh raised. Okay, 11% debenture we issued to preference shareholders, that is 4,80,000, and 3 lakh debenture issued. So totally 7,20,000. Again one more 11% debenture issued. So 3 lakhs. So altogether 7,20,000 long-term borrowings. So 7,20,000. Note 3, long-term borrowings. Number 3, current liability. So bank OD settled. Trade payable settled. Bank OD settled. Trade payable settled. No more bank OD, no more trade payable. Bank OD to bank is settled. Trade payable also settled. Therefore, current liability nil. Nothing available. Kindly make a total. Please make a total. That's it. So 20 lakh plus 1,54,000 plus 7,20,000 is going to be 28,74,000. So 28 74,000. So 20 lakh 75,000. That's it. Part 2 assets. Part 2 assets. Number 1, non-current assets. Non-current assets. Number 1, property, plant, equipment, PPE. Under property, plant, equipment, number 1, tangible assets. Number 2, intangible assets, if it is available. Okay, intangible not available. Come back to tangible. Plant and machinery, they took over. So furniture fixes 2.5 lakhs. Patents and investment copyrights also there. Patents and copyrights also there. Okay, anyway, intangible also available. Furniture. Okay, right. Tangible only furniture. Tangible only furniture. No need to put note. Intangible patent. Intangible patents. So tangible furniture 2.5 lakhs. So 2.5 lakhs. So patents is 70,000. Patents 70,000. Investments 55,000 reduced to 2. Okay. Investments. It became 55,000 because 13,000 reduction now. 13,000 reduction become 55,000 investments. Next, current asset. Current asset. Number 1, inventory. Already inventory 40 lakhs minus 5 lakhs 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs only. 5 lakhs taken over by trade payables. Okay. So 14 lakhs minus 5 lakhs taken over by the trade payable. So balance 9 lakhs. Balance 9 lakhs. Okay. Next, trade receivables. There is no reduction as usual. As usual, trade receivables. As usual, trade receivables. Ma, kindly check the amount of trade receivables. Ma, it's going to be 14,39,000. Ma, 14,39,000. Please check it out. Okay. Ma, after trade receivables, going to be cash and bank balance. Ma, 10,000 going to be changed. Cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent. Okay. Already we have opening cash of 10,000. Okay. And money comes in. 3 lakhs debenture money comes in. 3 lakh debenture money comes in. And 1.5 lakhs bank code is settled. 1 lakhs bank code is settled. Debenture raised to bank code is settled. This debenture is opening. Bank code is settled. Bank code is settled. Opening balance. Okay. So 1,60,000. I think kindly check it out. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. That's it. Overall, kindly make a total. So 2.5 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 55,000 plus 9 lakh plus 14 lakh 39,000 plus 1,60,000 comes around. So 28 lakh 74,000. 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 That's it. Kindly check it out. Now anyway, liability and asset 20 lakh 75,000. Kindly check it out. They are also getting tallied. That's it. Both are tallied. That's it. Let's see. SP Construction Company find itself in financial difficulty. So the following is the summarized balance sheet of as on 31st December 2012. So they have equity share capital 20,000 equity shares of 10 each fully paid 2 lakhs. 5% cumulative preference shares of 10 each fully paid 70,000. 8% debenture of 80,000. Loan from directors 16,000. Trade payables 96,247. Bank overdraft 36,713. Interest payable on debenture 12,800. So total liability 5,11,760. Asset land 1,56,000. Buildings netted 27,246 after depreciation. Equipment value now as on the balance sheet date 10754. Goodwill 60,000. Investment in shares 27,000. Inventory 1,20,247. Trade receivables 70692. Profit and loss account, it's a loss actually. It has to be written off to capital reduction account. It's a loss actually. 39,821. So 5,11,760 is the balance sheet. Authorized share capital company 20,000 equity shares 10 each. 10,000, 5% preference shares of 10 each. During a meeting of shareholders and directors, it was decided to carry out a scheme of internal reconstruction. Okay, right. The scheme has been agreed. The equity shareholders are ready to accept reduction of 7.5. So 2.5 they are helping the company. The 2.5 per share will go to capital reduction. Here what the share value is going to be 2.5 only, not 10 rupees. 10 rupees become 2.5, right? Number 1 point. So balance 7.5 reduction will go to capital reduction, helping the company. The equity shareholders to subscribe new shares of 1 for 1. So already there are 20,000 shares they are having. So 20,000 they are going to apply. At what rate? 3 rupees, which means 2.5 is a nominal value, 0.5 is a premium. 0.5 is a premium. This is share capital, this is premium. So totally 3 rupees, 3 rupees, right? So 3 rupees into 20,000 money comes in. Okay. The existing 7% preference shares to be exchanged for a new issue of 3,500, 8% preference shares of 10 each. So 3,500 into 18, 35,000. 14,000 equity shares into 2.5. That is also 35,000. So 35,000 preference shares. 14,000 into 2.5, 35,000 equity shares. So preference shares will be replaced by partly preference shares 8%, partly equity shares 35,000 rupees. That's it. So debenture holders are to accept 2,000 equity shares of 2.5. 2,000 equity shares 2.5 each in lieu of interest payable. So debenture holders are to accept 2,000 equity shares of 2.5 each in lieu of interest payable. That's it. Interest rate increased to 9.5%. Further rupees 9,000 of this 9.5 debenture are to be issued and taken by the existing shareholders at 90 rupees for 100 rupees. For 100 rupees, they want to take it for 90 rupees only. Balance 10 rupees, the debenture holders also helping. So 9,000 rupees will become 8,900 only. Balance amount, they helping the company. Okay. Interest rate, we have to exchange. Existing interest rate 8%. It is increased to 9.5. 8% become 9.5. 8% debited, 9.5 is to be credited. So debenture holders to accept 2,000 equity shares of 2.5 each. Right. 6,000 of loan, director's loan to be credited. 6,000 director's loan to be credited. Okay. Loan to be credited. The balance is to be settled by issue of 1,000 shares of 2.5 each. Okay. Right. So how many director's loans so far? 16,000. 16,000. So out of 16,000, 6,000 to be credited, which means capital reduction. They are helping the company to the extent of 6,000. 6,000 helping the company. Balance to be settled by 1,000 equity shares of 2.5 each. Or sometimes premium will come, we'll check it out. So 6,000 to be credited, which means the amount will go to capital reduction. Balance you have to issue shares. And we know goodwill and profit loss to be written off. So capital reduction to be debited, goodwill and PL to be credited. Investment to be sold at market value of 60,000. Kindly check. What is the investment value here? 27. Sold for 60. So there is a profit. We can credit the profit to capital reduction account. Bank OD to be repaid, bank OD to bank. 46,000 to be paid to trade payables. Okay. So balance in quarter interval means we can treat it as a loan. Balance as a loan account. Okay. What is the trade payables overall? 96,247. 96,247 minus 46,000 we settled. Balance 36,713 we may treat as a loan. Loan. Which means we obtain loan from trade payables. Okay. That's the meaning. Balance in quarter interval means we may treat as a balance as a loan amount. Out of 96,247 we paid 46,000. Balance loan from trade payables for us. Or bank OD we can treat. Bank OD from trade receivables for us. Trade payables for us. So trade payables, bank OD from trade payables 36,713. 10% of trade receivables to be written off. So debtors 10% to be write off. Remaining assets were professionally valued and should be included in the books of accounts. Balance to be professionally valued and should be included in the books of accounts. Land, we have to see, is there any appreciation, depreciation? If there is an appreciation, credited to cap reduction. If there is any depreciation, debited to cap reduction. That's it. And is expected due to change in condition, the new management operating profit will be earned at the rate of 50,000 per annum after depreciation, but before interest and taxes. So new management thinking they have a EBIT of 50,000 per annum after depreciation, but before interest. Some information they are passing. Due to losses brought forward, it is unlikely that any tax will arise in until 2014, which means there is no tax liability till 2014. Because of losses, we can adjust the losses against the profit. Therefore, there is no tax liability until 2014. Okay. So required to prepare journal entries after reconstruction scheme and prepare the balance sheet immediately after the reconstruction. These are the questions they are asking you, right? We will do one by one slowly. Journal entries in the books of SP construction. 31st December 2001. Journal entries SP construction as on 31/12/2014. Bracket it's going to be unreduced. Right? We will do slowly one by one. Okay, each and every entry will do it. Okay. Right. First one. First entry we're going to write more. Okay. So now first entry. Equity share capital 7.5 capital reduction, 2.5 equity capital. Okay, right. So 20,000 into 20,000 equity shares into 2% into 7.5 capital reduction, 2.5 equity capital. Okay. So equity share capital ₹10 account to capital reduction ₹2.5 account. Sorry, 7.5 is a capital reduction. 7.5 is a capital reduction. 7.5 is a capital reduction. So balance new equity share capital. ₹2.5 each. 2.5. Right. So 20,000 into 10. So 20,000 into 7.5. So 20,000 into 2.5. 2.5. So 20,000 into 2.5. Right. Now 2 lakhs. 7.5, 1.5 lakhs cap reduction, and balance 50,000 is the new equity capital. Being shares issued at a reduced price. Being shares issued at a reduced price. Shares issued at a reduced price. Anyway, first entry over. Okay, we'll come back to second entry. The equity shareholders are to subscribe new shares 1 for 1 at 3 rupees per share. So shares here after not 10 rupees is going to be only 2.5 rupees. At extra 0.5 charging, it's going to be premium. Overall total 3 rupees. So 2.5 share capital, 0.5 premium, overall total 3 rupees. So 20,003 is equal to new shares. Okay, new shares. Right. So number 2, new shares we are raising. Bank and debtor. So 20,000 into 3 rupees coming. Out of 3 rupees, 2.5 will go to equity share capital face value. Equity share capital face value. So 20,000 into 2.5 face value. So 2 security premium. So 20,000 into 0.5. Security premium. So 60,000 to be debited, 50,000 to be credited, share capital 10,000 is the premium. Being shares issued at premium. 20 is 1:1, no? If you are having one share, no, one share is issued. Held shares, the new shares. If you are having one share will be given. You are having 20,000 shares, no? So 20,000 bonus shares, new shares will be issued. New shares will be issued. That's it. Shares issued at a premium, right? Okay, that's it. Okay. 7,000 preference shares to be exchanged for a new 3,500 8% preference shares of 10 years, 35,000 and 14,000 equity shares of 2.5. So 7,000 preference shares at present available. Kindly see the third point. So preference shares at present 70,000 rupees, 7,000 into 10. Year after become 3,500 into 10 and 40,000 2.5 year after. Okay, we'll come back to third entry. Okay, my completed first entry. Please check. I completed first entry. Second entry also completed. I'm going for third entry now. So no longer the 7,000 preference shares are available. No longer. Okay. The third point. So what are the preference share percentage? So 5% preference shares no longer existing. So 5% preference shares no longer existing. 5% preference share capital, 7,000 written account debtor is going to be 70,000. To 3,510, 8% preference shares to 8% preference share. So it's going to be 3,500 into 10. 35,000. 35,000. And 14,000 equity shares are 2.5 each to equity share capital. 14,000 into 2.5. 30,000. So new share has been issued. Okay. Preference shares, new, and equity shares issued for old preference shares. For old preference shares, we issued 8% new preference shares and equity shares we issued. Right? That's the third entry. Come back. Okay. The fourth one, very importantly, the fourth one. Debenture holders to accept to the equity share 2.5 in lieu of the interest payable. First part. How much interest we have to pay? 12,800 interest we have to pay. They want 2,002.5 into debenture holders, equity shares they want. Balance they are ready to sacrifice for us. First part. Okay. Okay. So fourth one. Interest payable account debtor is going to be 12,000. 12,800. Kindly check. 12,800. They want 5,000 shares. Okay, 5,000 rupees shares. 12,800. Okay. They want equity share capital. Of 5,000. So 2,500 into 2.5. So to capital reduction account. Okay, right. The LP in the company, the balance amount. So 7,800 the LP in the company. Okay, right. Being share issued and balance transferred to so capital reduction. balance transferred to capital reduction. That's it. Okay. Interest company is over, ma. See the line, next one. Okay. Interest rate is increased to 9.5. 9.5. Earlier it's going to be 8%. Now become 9.5. 9.5. Okay. Okay. So now same fourth entry. Change of interest. Change of same amount. Change of interest. 8% debenture no longer existing hereafter. Debit 80,000. Please exchange it and hand over the new debenture of 9.5%. And exchange hand over new debenture of 9.5% debenture. That is 80,000. That is 80,000. That is 80,000. Being debenture exchanged. That's it. Okay, I completed that part. Further, 9,000 of its debenture of 9.5% are to be issued. And taken up by the existing shareholders 90 for rupees 100. Again, we are raising money for 100 rupees to shareholders. No, 90 rupees we are collecting. So balance cap reduction for us. Cap reduction for us. Okay, right. 90 into 90 we are collecting. That's what. Okay, right. So we are collecting to the bank. Okay, 9,000. Okay, by 100 that is equal to 90. 90 into 90 we are collecting. 90 debentures and 90 we are collecting. That is 8,100 we are collecting. So balance capital reduction. We are not supposed to collect. It's a loss for us. So capital reduction account data 90 into 10. So capital reduction account data 900. So balance 9.5% debenture issued. Balance to 9.5% debenture issued. Debenture issued 90 into 100. That is equal to 9,000. That is equal to 9,000. 9,000. Okay, right. So 9,000 issued. That's it. Kindly check. 9,000 issued. Okay. So being that's a line. I'll go through one more time. One more time. So 9,000 of these 9.5 debenture to be issued and taken up by the existing shareholders at 90 rupees. Actually 100 rupees they're going to take only for 90, which means we have issued at discount. 10 rupees is the loss for them. The loss we have to take it for capital reduction. 100 rupees debenture issued for 90. So 10 rupees is a capital reduction. 10 rupees is a capital reduction. Okay, that's it. So entry capital reduction is over. Okay, that's it, over. That part completely over now. Okay, we'll go to fifth part. Slowly we'll do fifth part. 6,000 direct loan to be credited. Balance to be settled by equity shares. Okay. So what is director's loan? 16,000 director's loan. 16,000 director's loan. Out of this director's loan, 6,000 director's loan to be credited, which we have to cancel. 60 credited. Okay, we have to cancel. Not credited, it has to be cancelled. The proper word is going to be cancelled. Okay, it's not credited, to be cancelled. They're helping us. Cancelled. That loan be cancelled. The word is called cancelled. 6,000 they cancelling for us, therefore credited. Okay. So point number mother, kindly see fifth one. So director's loan. Account data 16,000 director's loan available. The balance sheet I'm removing. Out of 16 director's loan, they are helping the company to the extent of 6,000. It's a cap reduction. 6,000. 6,000 is going to be capital reduction. 6,000. Capital reduction. Balance it to equity share capital. So 1,000 shares into 2.5. 1,000 shares into 2.5. 1,000 shares into 2.5. 1,000 shares into 2.5. 2.5. 1000 shares into 2.5, that is equal to 2500. To security premium. So 1000 shares into 7.5 security premium. That's it. Okay. So anyway, director's loan cancelled to the extent of cancel. The word is called cancelled. Okay, not credited, cancelled. 16,000 director loan, 6,000 to be cancelled. So we can transfer to capital action gain. Balance to be settled by 1000 to 2.5. 1000 to 2.5. Balance to be settled 1007.5 is going to be premium. Okay. Being so director's loan adjusted. Okay, right. Fifth point. Sixth one, goodwill and profit loss to be written off. Goodwill and P&L are going to be written off. You have to write off. Now you have to write off. Okay. Right. So P&L are going to capital action are going to we can write off. Sixth one. So capital reduction account return. So two goodwill, to profit and loss account. So two goodwill, two profit and loss account. Two goodwill, two profit and loss account. So two goodwill, 60,000. To P&L account 39,821. To goodwill 60,000. To P&L account 39,821. 39,821. Okay. So total 99,821. 90,821. Okay. Being goodwill and the P&L written off. Seventh one. Investment be sold at a market price of 60,000. Investment 27, 60,000. Definitely there is a gain. It has to be credited to capital action account. Okay, right. Investment is sold for 60,000. Investment. So sold for 60,000. Okay, bank credit 60,000 is sold. So to investment account, investment account 27,000 and balance is a gain. So capital reduction 33,000. That's it. Okay, 30,000. So being investment sold for profit. Okay, being investment sold at a profit. Sorry, okay, right. Investment is over. Actually, investment value 27, sold for 60. So there is a profit of 33. Okay, right. My eighth one, bank OD to be repaid. Bank OD how much? 36,713. You can settle now. Bank OD, eighth point. Okay. Eighth one. So bank overdraft to be settled. So kindly check your bank overdraft how much, ma? 36,713. 36,713 can settled to bank. 36,713. 36,713 to bank. Being bank OD settled. Okay, bank OD settled. My amount is going to be 36,713. Okay, seventh one. Come back to ninth one, ma. Ninth one. Eighth one, bank OD settled. 46,000 to be paid to trade payables. Now, balance in quarterly installments, which means again it's going to be loan. Now again it's going to be loan amount. Okay, loan. You may treat as a loan amount. Okay, we can treat as a loan amount. That will be loan. We'll do later on the loan adjustments. Okay, right. Loan adjustments we can do it. So anyway, we have to pay now. We have to pay now. Trade payable to bank. So trade payable to bank. Balance a loan amount. We'll treat as a loan. So trade payable account debtor. Trade payable no longer existing. 96243. 96247. 96247. 96247. We are settling by. We settled by. I think we settled by 46,000. I think 46,000. 46,000. Balance how much, ma? 96247 minus 46,000. Balance, sorry. Balance amount loan 50247. Balance amount loan or bank OD we can treat 5050247. So 96,247 trade payable. 43 settled. Balance OD. Balance overdraft. 50247 is OD. 50247 is OD. Bank OD. Balance trade payable become bank OD. Balance at quarterly intervals we can pay. Or trade payable as a loan you can treat. As a loan also you can treat. Okay, right. Trade payable balance. So trade payable still exist. We can treat them as a bank OD also. Just like a overdraft, no. Same trade payable. To the extent balance will be just like a loan. Okay. So balance trade payables loan. Trade payables loan to the extent of so 46,000 paid. Balance 50247 that loan, trade payables loan being partly paid. Okay, 9th one. So balance loan. We have to repay trade payables. 10% trade payables to be written off now. Trade receivables 70692. 10% rate off. 10% rate off. Rate off no. Okay. Anyway, so capital reduction to be debited. Okay. So capital reduction account debtor 10%. So 70692 10%. 70692 10%. Maybe 7069 being trade receivables written off. 11th one. Remaining assets are professionally valued and should include in the books of accounts as follows. Land 90,000. Land already 1,56,000. Now it is 90. So there is a reduction. Land has been reduced. Capital reduction account debtor to land. Land already 1,56,000. Now it's going to be 90 only. 66,000 reduced. 1,56,000 minus 90. 66,000 land has been reduced. Okay, that's it. Building 80. 27,246. It is 80,000 appreciated. So building appreciated. So building you can retard to capital reduction. Building appreciated by 52754, 52754, 52754. Okay, 52754. So building 27246, 27246, 27246, 27246, 80,000, 80,000, 27246. So 52754 reduced, 52754 reduced. So 80,000 minus 27246, 52754 reduced. Okay. I mean, building value is increased. Building value increased. Okay. Equipment, earlier 10754, now 10,000, 754 reduced to equipment. For equipment 754, 10754 minus 10,000, 754 reduced. Okay, right. Inventory, earlier 120247, now only 50,000, now only 50,000, 50,000, 120747. Okay, so here is there is reduction inventory. 120 in 120747, 120747. Now it become 50,000. So 70747 reduced. 120247, 50,000 reduction. New value, 702 reduced. That's it. Almost over. Everything is over. So 12th point, there is no entry required. There is no entry required. Okay, 12th point, there is no entry required. That's it. And I want total for these 3 entries. These 3 entries I want answer ma. Okay, I mean land, equipment, inventory. 66,000, 754, 70747, 137, 501. Being assets revalued. That's it. Okay. Now one by one, slowly will do. Slowly will do. Okay. Slowly will do all the entries. Okay. We'll pass capital reduction account. Capital reduction account we have to pass. Okay. First entry, equity share capital 1.5 lakhs. By equity share capital 1.5 lakhs. Equity share capital ma. Please check it out 1.5 lakhs ma. Equity share 1.5 lakhs. Next, second entry, interest holders, no demand interest, by interest payable, they cancel helping us to the extent of 7,800. Kindly check the entry. And directors also cancel the loan. Loan from directors we have seen. Loan from directors also they helping us to the extent of 6,000. Investments also increase their value, 33,000. Building also increase the value. Buildings also increase the value. 52754 ma, kindly check it out. 52754. I think goodwill a written off. Goodwill a written off. Okay. 60 P and 39821. Okay. To goodwill. So to goodwill 60,000. To profit and loss account 39821 39821 39821 to trade receivables 7069 10% write-off 10% write-off. So land 66,000. To equipment 754. To inventory 70247. Inventory 70247. To debentures 900. New debenture issued 900. Okay, that's it. Make a total. Debenture 900. Issue 900 debenture. Okay. 900 capital action. Correct? Kindly check it. Okay, right. That's it. Total 249,554. 249,554. 249,554. 4763. 249, 249,554. 249,554. 249,554. 4763. 4763. It is going to be this money we can transfer to. This money we can transfer to capital account. Capital account. For this, you have to pass some entry. We have to pass some entry. So entry for this. Entry for this. So please check it out. So capital reduction account debtor to capital reserve 4763. 4763. 4763. Being capital reduction transferred 4763. 4763. Okay, last part balance sheet. Last part balance sheet. This information is dummy. This 12th point is dummy information. EBIT is a dummy information, right? So balance sheet of the company name SP Construction. Balance sheet of SP Construction. As on 31/12/2012. 31/12/2012. Unreduced. Amount rupees. Number 1, equity liability. Number 1, shared funds. Number 1, shared funds. Number 1, share capital. Please check share capital. Number 1. Number 2, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Note 1, note 2. So share capital note 1. Please check it out. Note 1. So share capital. So share capital. So now the share capital has been adjusted now. All the share capital will be added. I think what a share capital you issued was so far 1,42,500 and the first entry 35,000 and One more entry, 50,000 and 50,000. Okay. So 50,000, 50,000 and 35,000 and 35,000 and 2,500. 50, 50, 35, 25. Correct? No? Okay. Okay. So 50,000, 50,000, 35,000 and 2,500. So these are the share capital issued in the credit side. Kindly check it out. So 1,37,500, I think. Kindly check it out. So kindly check interest payable also 5,000. So interest payable also 5,000. Ma. Anyway, it's going to be 1,42,500. Correct? No? Okay. So 1,42,500 by 2.5 by 2.5, 57,000. So 50,000 equity shares into 2.5 issued. So it's going to be 1,42,500. Okay. This is equity share capital. This is going to be equity. So share capital. Okay. What about preference capital? Preference capital. Kindly check with preference capital. So preference share capital we have issued. Again, one more 35,000. One more 30. Only 35,000 only. Okay. No more preference. 35,000. So preference share capital 35,000. That's it. 1,42,500 plus 35. 1,77,500. 1,77,500. So 1,77,500 more. Right. That's it. But number 2, we'll go to reserves. Number 2, we'll go to reserves. On note number 2, we'll go to correct no. We'll go to reserves and surplus. Can I correct no? We'll check it out. Reserve surplus. So reserve surplus security premium will come, and capital reserve you have to post. Capital reserve you have to post. Okay. Anyway, capital reserve is going to be 4763. 4763. 4763. Okay. Security premium. There are two types of security premium here. We have 7,500, 7,500, and 10,000. 10,000 and 10,000. Okay. 7,500 and 10,000. Okay. 7,500 and 10,000 is going to be 17,500. 500. Can you make it total more? 4,060 plus 7,500 is going to be 22,263. 22,263. 7,500 plus 4,763. 7,500 plus 4,763. 22,263. 22,263. So 22,263. 7,500 plus 4,763. 22,263. Okay, number 2. Non-current liabilities. Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings going to be only 9% debenture only, I think, no? Note 3. Note 3, long-term borrowings, ma. I think it's going to be 9% debenture. 9% debenture amount, kindly check it out. All the debenture amount. Please add all the debenture account. 9% debenture. 9.5% debenture, 9.5% debenture. So 89,000, 80,000, 80,000, 80,000, and 9,000, 89,000, 80,000, 9,000, 89,000. So 9.5% debenture. So 9.5% debenture. 90,000, sorry, 80,000 and 9,000. 9,000. 89,000. 18,000. Note 3. 89,000, note 3. Note 3, 89,000. Number 3. So number 3. So trade payables. Become OD, OD. Trade payable become OD. I think bank OD of 50247 available. 5027 available. Trade payables loan or OD. Oh, both are same only. So trade payables loan or OD 50247. Please make a total. Liabilities over 339010. 339010. 339010. 339010. That's it. Come back to asset side, part 2. Part 2, asset side. Number 1, non-current assets. Non-current assets. Number 1, property, plant, equipment, PPE. PPE. Number 1, tangible assets. Tangible assets. Number 2, intangibles. Number 2, intangibles. Okay. So already we did 4 notes, I think. Note 3, note 3, note 4. So tangible assets, note 4, note 4. So note 4, it's going to be, so tangible assets. Tangible assets, note 4. Okay. So tangible assets. So land has been revised to 90,000. Building has been revised to 80,000 after appreciation. Equipment after reduction, value already given 10,000, 10,000. Please make a total 1,80,000 fixed asset. 1,80,000 fixed asset. 1,80,000 fixed asset. So goodwill already we have, but anyway, it has been written off. It has written off. Anyway, therefore, no intangible assets. Right. Think about investments. Sorry, investments also sold. Investments also sold. Sold. Yes, sold for 60,000. I think. Okay, there is a profit. Profit transferred to, see the line. Investment sold. Profit transferred to capital action. Correct? No. Correct. Perfect. So investment. Sorry, nothing available. Investment 60,000. Nothing available. Number 2, current assets. Inventory, new value 50,000. Trade receivables after rate of after minus 10% of 63,623. Trade receivables 70692. 70692 minus 10% rate of 63,623. 63,623. So cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent. Any cash comes in. Trade payable paid off. Bank OD paid off. Investment sold. Debentures we collected money. You collected money. Okay. Anyway, okay, that's the amount we have. No more cash at present, but you have to adjust all the cash. All the cash and cash equivalent. All the cash and cash equivalent. Okay. All the cash and cash equivalent you have to adjust now. Okay. So cash and cash equivalent. Equity share capital we raised to 60,000. And debenture we raised to 8,100. This is equity capital. This debenture we raised to 8,100. Money comes in. Investment sold 60,000 comes in. Investment sold 60,000 comes in. 60,000 comes in. Investment sold 60,000 comes in. Minus loan, bank loan OD paid 36,713. OD paid minus 46,000. Payables paid 36,713. 46 payables paid. That's it. So 60,000 plus 8,100 plus 60,000 minus 36,713 minus 46,000. So it's going to be 45,387. 45,387. That's a cash. Please make a total. 1,80,000 plus 60 plus 50 plus 63623 plus 45,387. So 339,010. 339,010. 339,010. That's it. It's over now. Everything is over. Kindly check it out. So 1,80,000. Sorry, investment sold. No more investment. Sorry, investment sold. No more investments. Intangible write-off. No more intangibles. Investment sold dash. That's 50,000 plus 63,620. Investment sold. Sorry, we have to remove now. You have to remove cash and cash equivalent. So total 339,010. Liability also 339,010. Asset also 339,010. That's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Style Digitech and press the bell icon to see new videos.